What happens when disaster strikes at a power plant? Imagine, if you will, the sudden eruption of chaos and confusion, the immediate response and the aftermath that follows. Today, we delve into the heart of such an event, a tragic incident that unfolded at NTPC Luted's Unchahar power plant in Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. On a day that started like any other, an unforeseen calamity struck. Without warning, a boiler exploded, ripping through the recently commissioned unit. A wave of devastation swept through the plant, which until then had been humming along, generating 1,550 megawatts of electricity output. The explosion claimed the lives of 18 people, leaving around 100 more injured. The roar of the blast echoed far and wide, reaching beyond the plant located 110 kilometers from the state capital. Immediate relief efforts were launched in response to the disaster. The Uttar Pradesh government announced compensation for the victims' families, and a full-fledged investigation was initiated to determine the cause of the accident. Authorities moved swiftly and the National Disaster Response Force was called into action. Injured workers were provided medical treatment, with the more serious cases being referred to hospitals in Lucknow. The plant, once a beacon of industry, now stood as a stark reminder of the dangers inherent in power production. Experts highlighted the seriousness of the incident, emphasizing the need for a thorough investigation. After all, NTPC is not a small player. It is a major force in India's power generation sector, operating various types of power projects across the country. In the wake of the Unchahar power plant disaster, we are reminded of the human cost that can come with power generation. The incident serves as a sobering reminder of the importance of safety regulations, the need for thorough maintenance, and the constant vigilance required in such industries. In conclusion, a day that began with the hum of machinery ended with the silence of a power plant in mourning. The Unchahar power plant disaster is a tragic testament to the potential dangers of the power generation industry. It serves as a stark reminder that with great power comes an even greater responsibility, the responsibility of safeguarding lives.